Hey there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Denzel and today I'm going to show you how to make at least 250 Rand using a website called M4JAM. Now I'm not going to take long, I'm just going to get into the video right now and show you how you can make an extra income as a side hustle. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing that we want to do is go and search for a website called M4JAM. Now I will explain to you what M4JAM is, but first we're going to search for M4JAM. Okay, so this is M4JAM. Just type in by the search box M4JAM and then we will find the website. Now M4JAM is basically a gig, a technology gig company that connects organizations to communities through their mobile platform. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, guys, you want to sign up for M4JAM. Now let me explain in my own words. M4JAM is basically a community of how can I say it, it's open to the community, to people that want to make money online, that basically, you know, want to make money as a side hustle on the side, and then you can buy yourself stuff like airtime, maybe you want some extra lunch on the side or anything else that you want to buy. And that means when I say 250, sometimes you can make up to 1,000, but depending on the amount of jobs that you get per day comes out of that. Okay, so I wouldn't say they send you a lot of work on a daily basis, but on a daily basis you can at least make 250 Rand. Okay, that's my experience. Now let me tell you how I found this M4JAM. It was years back when I was, at least I think it's been here for years, so it's not just something that popped up like that. Okay, so I started out, let's say I don't use it that much anymore, but for airtime or whatever, small things. Okay, so I would say I was around about 20, you know, when I started using this M4JAM, and me and my family members would usually go out and go and do certain small tasks, and we would earn something like 30 Rand, 50 Rand, you know, and sometimes you'll be finding 100 Rand gigs on M4JAM. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go ahead and sign up. Okay, so I'm going to show you where to sign up. So you're going to click here where it says log in, sign up, click over there. And then as you can see, I'm already logged in. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to log out to show you. Just hope it doesn't show my details when I log out. Let's just hope it doesn't do that. So I'm going to click on menu and then we're going to look for log out. Now the account that I'm using right now, let me just, come on. I logged out. Why is it not logged? Okay, now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go back to that page that you saw now. I'm gonna go from the beginning. We don't want to be here. We wanna, okay, so here it is. So you're gonna click sign up now. Okay, then you're gonna fill out your mobile number, your password, and in that way you can basically so if it's your number is 081 or whatever it is, you fill it out here and then you fill in your password and eventually you will get it. Okay, so now all my details are already there, so all I'm going to do is log in over here. You're going to click submit and in that way it's going to log you into the site. Okay, so now what we're going to do is, it says the latest jobs. Now as you can see, this one over here, it shows us 30, they will basically pay us 30 Rand to complete this job. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, here it says the latest, I'm going to click that and I'm going to go to payout. Okay, so this is the latest job that you have here. I just basically moved it from the bottom to the top, which is the payout. So if it says 30 Rand, you're gonna earn up to 1,980 Rand. Okay, they just mean that's the potential that you could earn, but for me right now, what I'm seeing is that we're on 30 rand for this job. But with all the different jobs that they send you, sometimes you'll be lucky enough to get a job that's over 200 rand, sometimes 5, you know, it just depends. So what we're gonna do is here it says earn yourself an easy 30 rand. Ensure you carefully read through all instructions before you start the job. Okay, so as you can see guys, there's only one job. That's why I said it's a limited amount of work that M4JAM sends you. So once you complete this, they will basically constantly, now what I think what I do is they look at how much jobs you complete. So the more tasks and the more jobs you complete, the more work they will send to you. Okay, so that's basically how you use M4JAM to make an extra 250 rand per day. Okay, so sometimes it could be less than 250 per day, but depending, like I said, if you're gonna be consistently doing the M4JAM, then at the end of the day you'll start making at least over 250 per day on M4JAM. Okay, so that's basically it. Now guys, what you're gonna do right now is go ahead, subscribe to this channel. I will be having more videos out soon, so all you gotta do is hit the bell, basically right here. I mean, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get my updates. Okay, so that's basically how you do it guys. Once again, head over to m4jam.com. I'll leave the link in the description for you, and in that way you can make money, extra money. Okay, so all I'm doing is sharing my experiences and sharing my side hustles that I do to earn an extra few bucks. Okay, so like I said, M4JAM is not gonna make you rich. I've seen some messages on social media and some videos. I made like 40k 40,000 rand with M4JAM. Don't follow that, it's not true. What I'm saying is 100% true. You can make up to 250 rand or even less, but in the beginning you won't get many jobs. You're gonna get a limited amount of jobs, and the more tasks, the more consistent you are, the more jobs you're gonna get. Okay, so thank you for watching this once again, and be ready for my next video.